Hello, vlog. Kayaking this morning, this fine morning. Hello, Ellie. Lee's all the way out there. I'm probably not gonna record a lot because I'm on the water and I don't want to lose my phone. But we'll check back in later. I feel like something hit my boat. What's in these waters? What'd you see, Lee?
A lot of vegetation.
Hello, Lee. Oh no, hearing stuff under the boat, I think that'll give me anxiety.
Oh yeah, you should definitely do it.
Just here floating through. I'm gonna buy my own kayak this summer probably, y'all. I'm saying probably, but I'm planning on buying my own kayak this summer so I can go on more adventures like this. So just stay tuned for hiking videos, camping videos, all that. I am risking putting my phone right here for a good shot. This shot is probably going to be very short because this is a big risk. But this is a good shot. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm scared now, so I'm going to switch angles. Right here is good. This is a sit inside kayak, so. Oh no, you guys should see this. In the vegetation. I just love the sound of the water paddling through the water. There's some geese over there. Cool. Y'all, I brought my vape pen and I kind of really want to use my vape pen right now. And no, it's not a nick. So, I hope no one is thinking that. Because I don't smoke nicotine vapes. I need to take my twist down, but... Oh! A bird just flew over there, but you can't see it no more. Okay, there it is. Yep, so cool. It's a beautiful day. My friend right there. Another friend over there. I'm gonna keep paddling. Keep exploring around and keep having fun. We just drifted, like she just perfectly drifted right beside me without us having to intervene at all. And like I just feel like we're just meant to be together. Like we're just meant to be together. So cute. Literally so cute.
I'm gonna combust on myself.
And so beautiful. Hashtag save the national parks.
Save all nature.
Yeah, save all of them.
I just honestly.
We made bracelets.
Yeah.
And they're cute.
It makes me want to chew on it.
Oh my goodness. They do. They look like candy. And I made her that one.
It's like Slut Bunny Wonder Slut. Like you can literally put it two different ways.
He's cute. He's cute. Y'all hear them geese?
Talking up a storm. They're all on the island. You can see 2 of them right there.
Oh, I should go around that island. But Lee said we might get attacked.
Well, no, as long as you're
if they have babies.
As long as you go.
Now we just need to connect to Ellie Belly. Ellie Belly, we gotta connect for the selfie. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect.
Children!
Look at them!
Oh, that is a pretty cool way to do that. Oh,
What is?
can't.
Oh, this?
Yes!
Yeah! I think that's
Honestly,
sort of what it's for a little bit. Yep.
and that kind of keeps it to where you don't lose your.
Yeah. You can like put a backpack in there, a little packy. First aid kit.
Oh, that's actually really smart, Ellie. We should do that, like when we get our own.
I think it's one in my car, but it's not like a survival one. I want to get one baby.
Our booties are wet.
Mine too.
We got one.
Oh, you can record this entire
2, 3. Yeah, I told you I'm vlogging today.
Oh, you need to send us those.
Gotta get that content,
it's gonna
man.
be in her YouTube video.
You have YouTube?
She does.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you guys are so cute. Sometimes animals don't have to have a reason to attack us. They could feel like this is their lake and that we should be. What are some of the signs that a geese is gonna attack you? I mean, a goose. Oh, okay. So they're definitely not fluffy wings right now. The sun is peeking out, y'all. The sun. It's so beautiful out here. We just floating right now. We just floating.
A male Scorpio.
Hey vlog, she's shitting on Scorpios right now. But we're at a Mexican restaurant and we're about to eat. And I'm excited because it's burrito ramen, but I'm gonna talk to my friend and then we gonna come back. But okay. We're cute. Okay, bye. Food came out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Corey came. Zoe. She has nails on now that I made. We're going downtown in early. Oh my God. I'm dead.
flew all the way from Phoenix, Arizona with food poisoning to be here. Let's fucking roll!
I know how that
Later.
Hey vlog, this is me and my cousin, and we are going to an alien themed rave, so it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take you with me, so let's go. I can't really show my fit right now because this ain't even my fit for real, but y'all will see. Oh, that's cute. They're all so cute. They all got their outfit. It's so cute. They're all so cute. Oh, BFF. I was thinking about the wrist one too. That I know. I want to do that. I think. Yeah, that's cute.
Grocery Billy, nigga, I'm yelling.
Where is she? It's okay. Oh shit.